back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, you're definitely welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys how I prep and organize for a new month, which is March. If you haven't already seen me reflecting on my February goals and planning for March, you should definitely click the card somewhere here or here to go watch that. So today, my husband and I are going to be going grocery shopping. Praise the Lord, he decided to follow me today. So we're going to be going to the African store and then two other places because those are like, there are specific things I want to get in those places. And I already did laundry. I just need to vacuum and wipe down surfaces and then we're good. We're hanging out with our family friend on Thursday, so it makes sense to go buy like the food stuff that I'm gonna use to make the rice that I'm taking over. But yeah, so let's go and shop.
All of the lessons,
Latinos, you know, we're working on this Hispanic brand. When we went to do human research, one thing I noticed was that a lot of them shopped as a family. So their husband and their kids, they all go together. You've noticed that too, right? But we Africans, our husbands running away from grocery shopping.
and I'm just protecting me. You can't reach me, no. You can't reach me on the phone. You can't reach me, no.
So I'm thinking of making egusi soup. Will you eat? What do you think? Should I get this one? The shrimp. Well, this one is also shrimp. But it's like, I think I'll get both of them. This one is just 17.
It's just how much?
17.
17, okay. So is it getting both of them that we're going to use both of them?
Yeah, so for rice, egusi, and the other stuff.
Okay.
Knowing the truth, I'm gonna go into the clouds. I'm gonna fly away, facing my fears, promising you that I won't be scared. I'm more than my ego and I'm more than my pain. I'm more than my demons and I'm more than my frame. I won't be gone for long, you'll be gone for long. Beautiful life, telling you now, we haven't got too long. Too long, we haven't got too long at all. Told myself I hated you, but I know I don't. Can't be mad at all the blissful memories we got. I'm more than my ego and I'm more than my pain. I'm more than my demons and I'm more than my frame. No matter what you did, no matter what I did, we had it all along. Who knew?
Hi. So I just got back home. I'm just going to be unpacking. My husband is coming downstairs to help me. So I got some eucalyptus. I'm just going to be replacing the one we have here. So yeah, I just finished cooking. I made coconut jollof rice, fried chicken, fried plantain, egusi soup, and some fruit. So I'm just gonna have my bath before going to eat, because once I'm done eating, I know I'm so tired, so I'm just gonna straight off sleep. But that's basically it with me. Actually not it, because I ended up not really cleaning. So I will be cleaning day after day. Maybe tomorrow I need to finish laundry, loads of clothes that I've been washing. Yeah, so actually let me go check if... Okay, so I'm gonna have my bath. That's the new eucalyptus. Oh, you guys need to incorporate it into your like self-care. It just really helps me relax. The smell, it's wonderful. So I'll see you guys once I'm done and out of the bathroom. Peace.